Here in Arizona, there's a number of active military installations for which Geosyntec is involved with site characterization and remediation efforts, focused specifically on PFAS as an emerging contaminant. Our primary client is the Department of War, previously the Department of Defense, and they're leading the way, as well as with EPA, in addressing PFAS impacts at over 700 installations nationwide. Historical use of PFAS at these military installations have resulted in soil, groundwater, surface water contamination that pose, in some cases, an imminent threat to human health and the environment. They have a challenge of quantifying that type of risk, making accelerated decisions, and then communicating that risk and those solutions to the public. Currently, our group here in Arizona, as well as in the Southwest region, is responsible for aiding our Department of War clientele in developing technical approaches to characterizing their sites as part of historical AFFF releases, building conceptual site models that ultimately guide risk assessment, for which we do in-house as well, and then ultimately establishing an engineering technical approach for which to then mitigate those risks. At one particular site, we're involved with performing a CERCLA remedial investigation for PFAS, as well as conducting baseline human health and screening level ecological risk assessments. We also are performing engineering evaluations and groundwater extraction treatment system operation. I think what differentiates Geosyntec in the space is really a culture of innovation. I think that that's evidenced by a lot of our PFAS expertise nationwide. We have individuals that are on the forefront of developing technical guidance as well as treatment technologies. So we're able to bring that expertise to each project, individual their challenges. Geosyntec not only has the ability to support environmental site management from the assessment and characterization phase, but also through risk assessment, as well as remedial design, implementation, and ultimately site closure. So we offer a comprehensive suite of environmental management services, which of course offer consistency and added value to our clients.